Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Loggerhead turtle in Fish It Roblox. So here I'm going to show you where to find or the fishing spot to get the Loggerhead turtle. So of course the Loggerhead is located in the Kohana Island. Okay, so here is how the Loggerhead turtle look like, and let me show you how you can get this. So for the fishing spots, you can just, once you're in the Kohana Island, you can just go up here, and I got the turtle from this locations right here. So I fish from here. As you guys can see, if you use the fishing radar, you can see this mark right here. So you can just throw your rod in here, and hopefully you can get the turtle. And for the rod, I'm using the Steampunk rod, and for the bait here to get the turtle, I use this black bait. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.